key fob problems. Vehicle doesn't want to open. Won't even open, right? Maybe bad key fob, bad battery, low voltage battery. I'm not quite sure what kind of problem you have. Let's see if this might help you out. You're gonna have to open the vehicle with the actual key blade. Your vehicle horn might start to sound, and this does work on Jeeps and AFCA vehicles with an RF hub integrated into the system itself. Now, obviously you're gonna have to put your foot on the brake to start the vehicle, and you're not having nothing. It won't start. It won't start at all. You're gonna have this message here in your cluster that there's no key. That there's no key detected, no key fob detected. Not saying there's no fob detected into this vehicle. Not reading it. And this is how you could start your vehicle. Frequency will actually reach to the module if you could get it as close as you can to it. And that will be to actually use the key fob to start the vehicle without pushing the button. You got to start the vehicle with the key fob yourself, and it will start. It won't start with your finger afterwards. You have to start it with the key fob, and that's how it will start. The bad thing is that you're gonna have to replace the key fob, battery, etc., having module problems, whatever it is, because once you start to drive the vehicle, it's gonna start giving you a message telling you that the fob has left the vehicle. And it's gonna go on the whole time you're driving until you actually fix the problem. In this case, I already have my micropod connected, and I will show you the codes that I got on this vehicle. The code that I'm getting on this vehicle for the problem is saying that the battery low for the fob itself. Battery only has one key because this is the only key they have. That's why it's always good to have two keys, but pretty expensive, so I understand why. Alright, hopefully that helps you.